2013 Ram 1500 4.7 liter Magnum. What we got done on it for you guys, the factory converters there and there. And we haven't done a true dual on the Magnum, so here it is, 4.7 liter V8 Magnum. True dual, 2 1/4, all the way back. Look at that. Takes 4 sticks of pipe to get it done. But that's what it looks like. Really beautiful, pretty, beautiful welds into our usual there and there massive 5-inch roll tips to give you that trombone effect or tuba effect. Give it that deepness, equalizes it out, makes it sound phenomenal. Ram 1500, there's the middle pipe we cut off, and he didn't have anything else on it. That's all he had on it. But now he has a lot better, as you guys can see. And like always, guys, please like, comment, subscribe for more beautiful content. Much better. That's awesome. God. Your sound decibel? Again? Bro, it hits 122. That is ridiculous. Wow. Well, if you want them real loud, that's what you gotta do. Wow, it's screaming, man. Let you guys hear on the inside. Ram 1500 4.7 true duals with 5-inch tips. Amazing, man, with stock cats too.